In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change a password on a password protected document in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you have a Word document that is protected with a password and you'd like to go ahead and change the password, it's pretty simple. First, go ahead and click on the document and you'll require the current password to log in or to open the document. Once you have opened the document, to change the password now, head over to File, and then from File, click on Info, and here you can see the protection is on this document. To change the password, just go ahead and click on Protect Document icon here, and choose the second option, Encrypt with Password. Now, if you click on this, you will see your current password displayed. Should you want to set a new password, first you'll need to go ahead and remove the current password. To remove the current password, just delete the whole password, then click on OK, and then go back and close it and save the document. And as you can see here, the document no longer requires password to open it. From here, now proceed and set a new password that you wish to modify to. To do this, again go to File and then go to Info. And from Info, choose Protect Document and choose Encrypt with Password. From here, set your new password and click OK. Then re-enter the password and OK. And now your new password will be set. Now go back, close to and save. And now if you go ahead and open the document again, now you'll be required to enter the new password that you have just set for you to access the document. So that's how you can change your password in a Microsoft Word document. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.